What's up, James Squad? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in to another banger. So I hope all have been well. I hope you guys have been doing pretty damn good. So without further ado, let's get into this video, y'all. All right, what's up, y'all? So we got a few things that we're gonna be working on today. One is we're gonna try to get the trailer lights ran. We got the wiring here. We got some sequential clears, which is pretty freaking cool. I already got the wiring. I installed it a few days ago, but basically it's a kit that I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, there we go. It's a kit that plugs into your factory unit. Dude, I need to do something about this trunk. What do I need to do with this trunk, y'all? Do y'all think that it would be like too old school to do like the wood floor or something? Cause this shit just looks horrible. But anyway, here's the plug from the car. It's pretty straightforward. Here's the plug that's going on the trailer. So basically, we'll be running that on there. And like I said, the wiring, probably gonna do the lights. Somewhat pretty simple. Probably gonna be mounting them in the back right here on both sides. So should be straightforward. Just mounting it, running the wire straight up through the center and up through to the tongue. I don't know if I'll get around to fixing this, but yeah, we're gonna be working on that. Also, I need to go to the store and get some gas. I want to try to like maybe get some POV footage of riding the car today. So I don't know, we're gonna try to get to that. But one thing that I need to do is put the I think that's a 31 tooth. Nope, sorry, 36 tooth on here in the back, because when I went to the shorter tire, it took away from my top end a little bit. So we're gonna go with a smaller tooth gear in the back and see can we gain a few miles per hour back up top. But nothing really changed. I cleaned it up. Y'all can see that the bike looks pretty damn good. It was looking very horrible at first. I did get a new billet gas cap. I posted a picture on Instagram. I don't know if y'all seen this, but y'all remember this was like bent. Y'all might can see it was bent down. Basically, I wrecked this. So let me give y'all a little backstory. So the second day of me owning this bike, back in 08, I wrecked it. Like I flipped the shit out of it. I didn't even like drive far, like a few feet. And basically that morning I had rode the bike. I was riding shit, got it pretty dirty. I brought it up to the house, sprayed it off, and I was like, shit, I'm gonna ride it to the mailbox, y'all. And it like literally was like, it wasn't far at all. And the way that my dad's driveway is made, it's like in the 90s. So basically I got on the quad and I smacked it, and it went sideways, and yeah, I flipped it. So I bent the handlebars down. And so like when I put my new gas cap on, basically when I would like turn for a lock, it would hit like right here. You can see where I nicked it a little bit right there. So I was like, I gotta do something about the steering stem. So basically what I did was I took it to my friend over at Foreign Fabrications. He cut it, like you can see, maybe right there. He cut the bad section out and re-welded a new piece in. He had some piping that was pretty close, so I let him do that. He hooked me up. You can see, like I said, everything is pretty damn clean on this bike now. She probably will not be getting dirty like that again. Polish the wheels and stuff. But the main goal is to at least get the sprocket on and get the trailer lights wired up. Just a little bit of gas in there. Pour that in the lawnmower. I'm gonna go to the gas station, get some gas right quick, then we'll come back and start on that. All right, y'all, I am back from the gas station, and like, bro, it's hot as hell out here, man. Like, since it's so hot, and I really don't feel like just fooling with the trailer just yet. We're gonna work on this. So I guess I'm going to take the plastic off so I can get the gas tank off, dump all the gas out of the gas tank, and throw that back on, throw the fresh gas in there, and then we'll get on the sprocket and throw that sprocket on there. It is hot out here, y'all. But as you can see, gas tank is empty. I guess we can pour some gas in here, poured all that old gas out. It didn't even smell strong. It was almost like a yellowish color. That shit was weak, so pour some new gas in here. It should run a hell of a lot better. Got it full of gas, so let's start it up. Primed up. Let's see how it starts on the cold start, y'all. Guess now that that's out of the way, we can throw the seat back on this thing, and we can start on the sprocket, getting the sprocket changed out. Y'all, I had to take a little break and go in the house and get me something to drink, because it was, man, I was starting to feel a little sick. Like, it is no doubt hot out here. But anyways, new sprocket on, gas, fresh gas in the tank. She should be ready to go. So now what we gonna do is we gonna get this thing in here. So we're gonna go from here to here. Wiring should be fairly simple. I'm just gonna run it straight down the middle and up to the tongue. So I got my wire here, get it all stripped out and everything. Get that thrown on there. This should go pretty quick and be pretty simple. I need to clean my damn toolbox off. So we're gonna have one for this side and one for this side. Get this right here stripped out. All right, so a few things went on. I just spliced this pigtail to the new wire that I just ran, and I tucked it and I got it pulled back here to the back. So pretty self-explanatory. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and drill these holes and pop these lights in here, which I'll do that now. All right, so we're done here with mounting the lights. You can see that it's sitting up there. So now basically all I have to do is ground my black wire. I'm gonna ground it to the frame. So I'll get the black wire here. And my black wire here, I'll put an eyelet on it, bolt it to the frame under here, and then I can just take my white wire and bolt it to the frame as well. And then I'll just have my yellow, I think, yellow and red. So one's a break, one's a turn. That'll pretty much be it. Then I can just pin this up under here and we'll be done with this. So we might have a little time to ride the 450 today. I don't know, it looked like it's trying to cloud up to rain, so I need to hurry my ass up. I'm gonna go ahead and get all these wires spliced up and mounted up and get this hung up, and then we'll stick it on the car and see how it looks, make sure everything works. All right, y'all, so finally, we are done. Lights are installed. Let me take the plastic out from giant. All I gotta do is pin it up, but everything is tucked. Now we get to roll it out, hook it up to the car, plug it in, make sure everything works. Tail lights are on. Hey. Yes, sir. Let me set you guys up so y'all can see this. Man, I'm pretty happy on this shit. Y'all, like, what trailer y'all done seen with like sequential clears on it? Like, JDM's, right? Man, y'all comment down below and tell me what y'all think about this. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, we done with this portion. And shit, we might be able to hop on this thing, get a little POV footage. Get this cleaned up. And shit, finna hop on the old bike before we try to run.